Hello Diecast collectors and candy lovers. Welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm going to talk about a sweet addition to any collection. It's the Matchbox Charms Chow Mobile. This isn't just a van, it's a rolling restaurant serving up fun and adventure wherever it goes. So before we dwell into detail, let's unbox it. As this Charm Chow Mobile is a 1:64 scale die-cast metal which is a collectible. As Matchbox, known for its realistic and highly detailed design. But what makes this model truly special because of its cool design. As it comes with the vibrant pink exterior which is adorned with the iconic Charms Pop logo and sure to bring a smile to any candy lover's face. And the van features artistic design like Blow Pop, Don't Burst My Bubble, America's most popular pops, and number 5. And there is a cartoon guy holding a candy. As you all know, the Charm is a well-known candy brand that has been delighting sweet tooths for over a century, which is known for candies including Blow Pops and Charms. The brand was founded in 1912. And now, the Matchbox has created a die-cast van version of the Chow Mobile, making it a great addition to any collection. So are you a fan of Charms candy? Then this is the one to add to your collection. It's not just a die-cast model, it's a piece of candy history on wheels. So that's all for today. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.